IQOO Z9x just launched before a few days ago. Fast refresh rate, brightest screen, mid-segment 5G processor, superb in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you a review of IQOO Z9x. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. The design of the IQOO Z9x is quite attractive, especially in the green color, which has an impressive texture. Although it has a boxy design, at this price range, the build is made of plastic. The back and frame of the phone are made of plastic, and it also has a plastic bracket. However, it looks amazing in terms of appearance. The back of the phone looks like glass, but is actually plastic. The camera module design is similar to IQOO's flagship phone, the IQOO 12, and you can see the placements at the top and bottom. The IQOO Z9x also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. The SIM card slot is located in the top left corner, unlike most phones where it's at the bottom. This SIM tray also has a slot for an SD card. The phone has a thickness of 8mm and weighs 200 grams. In terms of display, the IQOO Z9x features a 6.72-inch IPS LCD screen with a full HD plus resolution and a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. However, this screen does not offer many color mode options. The IQOO Z9x has one of the brightest LCD displays. Its manual maximum brightness is 780 nits, and its peak brightness reaches up to 1045.3 nits, which is the highest for an LCD display. Most LCD display phones only reach up to 618 nits, so this phone offers excellent outdoor visibility. In terms of performance, the IQOO Z9x is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, built on TSMC's 4nm platform, with a maximum clock speed of 2.2 GHz. The phone scores over 566,000 on AnTuTu. You can play Honor of Kings at 90 frames per second on max settings, and after 30 minutes, the average frame rate is an impressive 90 frames per second. The average power consumption during the game is 3.26 watts. Although this is an entry-level 5G phone, it still performs decently with heavy games like Genshin Impact, providing an average frame rate of 43.2 frames per second. The power consumption for heavy games can go up to 4.28 watts, so you might see some lag with high settings, but it performs well on medium settings. In this segment, you can't expect too much from the camera, but the phone has a 50-megapixel main camera, the same as the one in the Redmi 12, so you can compare the cameras of both phones. The IQOO Z9x has a large 6000 mAh battery, and it comes with a 44-watt fast charger. The phone has good battery endurance, taking about 85 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. However, it does not have NFC, infrared, or stereo speakers. It does have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which quickly unlocks the phone. The base variant of the IQOO Z9x is priced around £135 in China. In conclusion, if you want a good display, a large battery, and a 5G phone for daily use, you should definitely consider the IQOO Z9x. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.